here we go. Take two. Here it is, my Tetris themed cutting board, which I think came out looking actually pretty good, but I'm not particularly thrilled with the way it did come out. Now, real quick though, before I talk about the negatives, let's again, I just put a finished coat of mineral oil and beeswax on here and then buffed it out. It still is a little wet, so it certainly wouldn't hurt to give it a little more time to dry and put on, or give it a good buffing out. And then of course I put some rubber feet on the base of it. So going to the other side of it though, if I were going to do this again, well, first off, I didn't get enough contrast, or there was not enough contrast between the maple and the birch. You can kind of see every now and then where the contrast is, but in general, no, they just look too much alike, and you're not getting that those classic Tetris patterns on there, which I really wanted to see. On the other hand, though, the walnut and the mahogany really set each other off, and again, you can easily tell those apart, and obviously from the maple. So if I had to do this again, I think I would go with with probably cherry or something like that. Again, something that's going to be, give enough contrast. The other problem I had was during the glue up, I did get some gaps, and I did my best to tighten those gaps and everything, but I just had a lot more just tiny little gaps in between the wood than I really wanted. But I mean, that doesn't stop this from looking good or being useful as a cutting board. It's just that I think I could have been, well, it could have ended up a more refined job. That being said, you do learn from your mistakes. At least I try to learn from my mistakes. So if I were going to do this again, I have some ideas about how I could do it better, and I would avoid some of the problems that I ran into here. So anyway, with that, I hope you do like what I did here, and with that, well, I guess I will talk to you later. Bye.